Okay everyone, here it is. This is a Vroid Studio stable version. Okay, if you're still stuck in Japanese, here is the three dot right here, the upright dot. Go here, and then go to the settings, and voila! Here is the language, background color, and 3D preview quality. I mean, that's the only setting that we have right now. So if you're stuck in Japanese, Nihongo UI menu, here it is. Go to English. Get it? If you open this Vroid Studio, here is what you see. Go to the three buttons, three dot right here. Go to settings. Go to English, and then you're done. It's okay. At least I can help everyone. It's okay. I'm glad I could help you. Okay, let's move on with the drawing, shall we? Alright then.